Is it the right time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? Today, we'll be delving deep into Taiwan Semiconductor and providing you with an even more detailed analysis than our initial report published on Thursday, February 15, 2024. To stay updated on all of our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Don't miss out on any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide. It's a valuable resource for enhancing your trading strategy. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 8, 2024, our system has identified Taiwan Semiconductor as a potential investment opportunity, giving it a score of 2.72. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance over this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 26.2% since we first recommended Taiwan Semiconductor as a buy candidate 28 days ago. This means that, on average, the stock has provided a return of 0.94% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that it may continue to rise. Based on the past 3 months, there is a potential 28.67% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from 12.30% to 35.84%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 16.99% change in the stock's value over the next year. This could result in a potential return between -16.74% and 21.61%. In other words, the stock price could range from $107.43 to $156.91 after 1 year. Our latest update on Taiwan Semiconductor brings you the headline, Red Day for Taiwan Semiconductor stock as it loses 0.186%. On Thursday, February 15, 2024, the Taiwan Semiconductor stock price decreased by 0.186%, dropping from $129.27 to $129.03. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.17%, reaching a low of $128.35 and a high of $131.13. In the past 10 days, the stock has risen in 6 of them, showing a 13.79% increase over the past 2 weeks. The decrease in trading volume on the last day aligns with the stock's decline, which is generally considered a positive indicator. The trading volume decreased by 1 million shares, with a total of 11 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.36 billion. Over the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $135.17, while the lowest price was $81.21. At present, the price is 4.54% lower than the 52-week high, equivalent to a decrease of $6.14. Furthermore, it is 11.01% lower than the all-time high reached on January 13, 2022, when the price reached $145. Analyst ratings. In the world of investment, analyst ratings can be crucial in determining the potential of a company. Today, we'll be looking at some recent analyst ratings for TSM, also known as Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. On Friday, January 19, 2024, it was reported that Needham gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. This indicates that Needham believes TSM is a good investment with the potential for growth, but also advises caution in the short term. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, it was reported that UBS gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. UBS shares a similar perspective with Needham, suggesting that TSM has strong potential for long-term growth, but may face challenges in the near future. On Thursday, July 20, 2023, it was reported that Wedbush gave TSM an outperform grade with a hold action. This indicates that Wedbush believes TSM will outperform the market and recommends holding on to the stock. Once again, on Thursday, July 20, 2023, it was reported that Needham gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. This reaffirms the positive outlook from Needham, suggesting that TSM is a promising investment opportunity. Lastly, on Thursday, June 1, 2023, it was reported that Needham gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Needham's repeated endorsement further highlights the potential of TSM in the eyes of analysts. Analysts have unanimously recommended buying Taiwan Semiconductor stock. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book value as favorable for buying. Furthermore, the stock has been given a strong endorsement for its return on investment. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock currently displays a mixed signal. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, leading to a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance at around $129.73 from the short-term moving average. Conversely, if the stock falls, it may find support around $112.91 from the long-term average. A break above the short-term average would generate a buy signal, while a break below the long-term average would trigger a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also suggests a buy signal. However, some negative signals have been issued, which could impact the short-term development. On Thursday, February 8, 2024, a sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -3.51% so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. It's worth noting that the volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivot suggests a sell signal that occurred 6 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy signal that happened 17 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 29 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart and analyze the signals. The short moving average shows a buy signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 67 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal that occurred 58 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. When it comes to support levels, the stock currently finds support just below today's level at $116.52 and $114.20. It's important to note that testing a support level carries inherent risk, as a break below it could lead to further decline. If $116.52 is breached, the next support level lies at $114.20 and $113.03, based on accumulated volume. In terms of volatility, Taiwan Semiconductor exhibits average daily movements with good trading volume, indicating a medium level of risk. On the previous trading day, the stock had a price range of $2.78, or 2.17%, between its highest and lowest points. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.62%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's quickly discuss some important fundamental data. First up, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This key metric compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. With Taiwan Semiconductor, we observe a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often seen in businesses with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 18, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates point to earnings of $1.29. These figures have the potential to significantly impact stock prices, so it's worth keeping a close eye on them. Today, we'll be analyzing potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $130.46. If you're considering entering a position, it's advisable to wait for the stock to surpass this level. For those who already own shares, this could be a potential level for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock encounters a downward trend, it will face its first support level at $116.52. If this support level holds, it could present a good opportunity to enter the market and anticipate a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $122.97, which is a decrease of 4.69%. This stock typically experiences moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected 5 days ago. Is Taiwan Semiconductor a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that Taiwan Semiconductor stock may present a buying opportunity. Our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to Friday, February 16th, we anticipate Taiwan Semiconductor to open at $129.50, representing an increase of $0.473 from the previous close. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. To make informed investment decisions, it's advisable to consult with a qualified financial advisor. StockInvest.us provides information, but it should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on this stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What's your target for this stock? We're eager to hear from you. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. Now, let's dive into the details and wish you successful trading. Have a fantastic day from all of us here at Stock Invest.